When we first started talking about business diplomacy in Romania 7 years ago, we regarded businesses as collateral damage from geopolitical conflict. Geopolitical conflict was being carried forward, but businesses could suffer collateral damage. Now it's not collateral damage. Now it's states deliberately using the business relationships to drive forward their rivalries and their geopolitical conflict. So as Valentin said, it's no longer that businesses suffer the collateral damage. Businesses become one of the battlegrounds for geopolitical rivalry. And that means that you really get no choice about whether you're involved or not, which I think makes it all the more important to, and we're seeing this at all levels. It's not just US, China, it's what Turkey is doing, it's what Russia's doing, it's what the European Union is doing, it's what's going on throughout North Africa and the Middle East, where business becomes the very core of how you carry out rivalries between powers, between states.